Hi there guys, I just wanted to do another video about the about Gears 3 again. This isn't about the E3 this is what they announced slightly after it. They have a thing going on at the moment where you can decide the fate of Clay Carmine, the last of the four Carmine brothers. And I think this is awesome. So you can go on Xbox Live Marketplace and you can buy an either Save Carmine shirt or a Carmine Must Die shirt, and whoever buys the most will decide what happens in the game. You can do this up until I think the 21st of September, and then yeah, that's when it finishes off. Now I gotta say, for those of you who didn't see the artwork of Carmine, you're gonna freak out. I mean, these pictures make Marcus Phoenix look like a pussy. It's got Carmine standing on like a mountain of dead locusts with this like full-on like Predator machine gun, the big long gun, you know, and just standing there like on top of all these dead fucking locusts, you know. Then there's another one where he's looking one right in the face while he like guts one, you know. He's like ripping his throat out or something. And he's got all this cool shit written all over his like armor, like Locust Must Die or something, you know, Hate Locust, and he just looks so badass. And on this arm, he's got Born to Soar, and then he's got tattoos of Anthony and Benjamin Carmine on his arm, like as a reminder of his brothers. He looks sick. As far as character design goes, he looks awesome. He looks real badass. He looks like he could boss Marcus around. He could say, Marcus would be like, hey, Carmine, go check out that mountain over there. You know, fuck you, Marcus. Why don't you go check out that mountain over there? Huh? You want to go with me? Huh? I got a machine gun, baby. I got a minigun. I said minigun, you know. Yeah. So, I wanted to do a video and ask you guys, please help me save Carmine, because I really like, you know, I'm not upset that they killed off the last Carmine, although, you know, I was starting to sort of like him, and then he died, and I was like, you know, I thought he might survive. I thought Marcus might save him, you know, but the worm got him, so I sort of understand. But I think this Carmine should survive just because he looks so fucking tough. It's like you can't kill a guy like this. And it looks like he's just out for blood, just totally out for blood, man. Like the other two Carmine characters we saw, they're real, like, you know, just like, so they're not wimpish, but they're just normal. And this guy's so beefed up, and he's got this minigun, and he just looks like a crazy person. He looks like a crazy person. And I reckon we should all pull together and save this guy. I've got a friend of mine. I've asked a few friends of mine. I know I've got one friend who's already put on the Save Carmine shirt. And you know, if you guys are Gears fans, help me out, because I really reckon we should save him. You know, then again, there's probably people out there that think he should just die, but he just looks so cool. And if you don't believe me, check out the photos. I'm gonna end this video now. Check out the slideshow of the photos, and you'll see what I mean. Save Carmine! Take one, shot, one more shot at me. Take one, shot, one more shot at me. And believe, and believe. Take one, shot, one more shot at me. Take one, shot, one more shot at me. And believe, and believe. Takes over and numbs me, shows the fear inside me, inside my head.